Okay, sugod na. Sugod na. Sugod na. Muna na. Print. Sa kuha na lagi. Kanta din. Lingkod ba? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Napawais ako.
Karon lang. Wala lang.
Snowglows white on the mountain night, not a footprint to be seen. Kingdom by isolation, it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like Miss World and storm inside. We a good girl now, having no time. Don't let them in, don't let them see. We a good girl, you always have to be. Don't feel, don't let them know. Well now then no, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Turn away, slam the door. I don't care what they going to say. Mana, lagi.
Ay, atong tiwasan. Tiwas, ha?
Wana mo kay baw.
Sagdi lang. Butbut lang. Butbut nga lyrics, bagi. Tiwas, ha?
Ito aking ama ba?
Ay, aking ama lang. Sige.
G-save sana.
Nasid naman. Sige.
Ate kapoy na eh.
Sagdi lang, good.
Nung ako'y bata pa, nang iwan ako ng aking ama, matay lumuluhan na. Di kaya ninanay nag-iwan niya, sa'kin ay may bumulong. Sabi ni tatay na wag iiyak, malungkot ako, aking ama. Kung may pagkakataon na mayakap siya at masabi ko na mahal kita, ama, awitin ko ay alay ko sa'yo, mahal na mahal. Mahal kita, o aking ama.
Tiwas, ha?
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody, a star, but can't complete. Listen
Black condition ba?
to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, this time has come, oh my dreams will be heard. They will not pause aside and turn into your own. All cause you want. Listen. I am my longest cruise route. I am my own in my own home.
Lain, sir.
Kailan lang.